working with a new camera setup here, and that's Lucy the stupid dog upstairs. God. That again. Alright, Harbor Freight jack stands. Bunch of us have them, bunch of us use them, bunch of us trust them, and some of them maybe shouldn't be trusted. Older production jack stands, they're good, they're solid. The teeth on the extensions are big, they are sharp, and they will hold everything up for you. New production. The teeth are small, they are not sharp, and the molds have obviously worn out, which is the root cause of the failures, which has resulted in the recall that just hit in the last 48 hours. Do not use these jack stands. Return them to your nearest hazard fraud, I mean Harbor Freight, and they will give you a store credit / gift card for the value of replacing these. They do not have replacement parts for these yet, but please go back and check your part numbers. I'll put a link in the description below detailing which part numbers are affected. I know production ran from 2013 to 2019, and yes, my part number set right here, 61197. These were brand new in box from 2 years ago. I just opened them. Yep, here's the box. This guy. And they've been sitting in my shed. I have like 4 other sets of jack stands from them that are perfect. They work great. So not every set needs to go back. Open up your boxes if they're new in the box. Pull out the jack stands you've been using. If you know that they're good, go ahead and keep using them. Check these serrations right here. That's what the problem is. Like I said, it's not worth it. There are things that are fine for saving money on, but I did have one of these, the big ones, these big 6-ton jobs, collapse on me 2 years ago, which is why I have the brand new set, because they were so horribly flawed that I took them back and I said, here, I want you to open up a box, let me see what's going on so you can compare these, and I want to exchange them. They gave me another set. Those were good. This is another set that I had on hand. Shoot, looking at this. There's chunks missing out of this casting. Yeah, so there's obviously a foundry problem with whoever the supplier is for the cast iron portion of these stands. Now, everything else on these, not bad. You know, the welds are okay, good, decent penetration. The frames are square and they sit flat like they should. You know, I've been using these 3-tonners for a couple decades now. I've had these for ages. I have no problem with them. So check your parts, make a run to the store, turn them back in. I don't know, maybe you can get some sockets or a cheap angle grinder or something. But be safe. It might be a dumpster fire life, but you don't want to die for it. Taking a closer look to help identify which jack stands you want to send back. 61197 is in fact one of the recalled part numbers that Harbor Freight will give you a store credit for. They don't believe they have a replacement for them yet, but if you just Google up Harbor Freight jack stand recall, you will see a full list of numbers. It is for jack stands made between 2013 and 2019. And I bought these 2 summers ago, so that would be summer of 2018. So yeah, these definitely fall within that manufacturing window. So I'm looking at these jack stands here. You can definitely see the difference in the shape, depth, and quality of the ratcheting pawl teeth between the new production and the much older production. I want to say these guys date back to the late 90s, so they're at least 20 years old. And these guys are from 2 years ago. I'll trust this one. Not going to trust this one. This has got to go back to the store. What am I going to buy with that card? I don't know. But hopefully this will keep everybody a little bit safer. Share it with your friends. If you've got buddies who wrench, make sure that they know about this.